Hey everyone, my next tip in my Etsy Selling for Beginners series, I guess this is a series, it's a channel. This is another thing that people don't think about. I'm kind of talking about that today, but you need a business bank account, okay? You need a business bank account and a business credit card just so that you can pay for things. And when you first start out, you might think, oh, I don't need that. But you really need to have the legalities in place before you start spending money so that you can keep track of everything. And there are differences in the US, I'm not sure how it works in other countries, but check out the laws in your area to make sure that you can run a business. Because there are some places where you cannot run a business from your home legally. The licensing and all the restrictions of homeowners associations and renting apartments and stuff. Make sure that you can legally run a business from your home before you start one. Once you decide to start one, if you're legally able to, you need to get a business bank account and some kind of a credit card or a debit card that's linked to that so that you can make payments for materials and license fees and all the other things that come with running a business. It's a much easier thing to start out that way than to have to switch everything over from your personal account, because you really shouldn't run business expenses through a personal bank account. Number one, it's going to be easier, like I said, for bookkeeping, but it's also just better for your finances. And you will find that if you keep your finances separate, you're not going to spend as much on things that you don't need for your business. And it's amazing how when you suddenly get a business bank account and you stop spending out of your own budget, you realize that you don't need all those things. And you need to just be careful about what you spend because you have a limited amount in your business account. And you can't dip into your personal account, you need to keep it separate. And it does make a big difference as far as budgeting goes. And also your personal finances won't be as affected because you're not going to be dipping into your budget for other things and spending out of your personal bank account for business expenses. So just get that set up. I know this is a really weird tip and this isn't a how to get rich quick on Etsy kind of thing, but it's a really basic thing that needs to be done before you start a business so that you can just keep everything straight, keep everything legal, and have it all work out in the end. I would rather have you take the time to get this set up now, even if it feels weird that you're doing this preliminarily, and is that a word? And not really like starting your business, but you need to get everything in place legally before you can really start selling. So just take that into account, watch this video next, and I will talk to you later.